This is the Dewberry floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, designed to meet your every need. The Dewberry is part of our Classic series with 4 to 5 bedrooms in 2,800 to almost 3,300 square feet. The home has several exterior options, some that even include a front balcony. Step into the elegant foyer where a formal dining room and an exposed wrought iron staircase elevate the style and design, or make it a home office, whichever is perfect for your lifestyle. As you pass the grand staircase, you'll find a spacious family room, great for holiday gatherings or cozy evenings by the fire with the optional fireplace. This kitchen is a chef's dream with one of our largest islands and pantries. You've got plenty of space for making cherished memories and entertaining loved ones. There are also extensive cabinets and stainless steel appliances, plus granite countertops which are standard throughout the house. Retreat to your sanctuary in the primary suite with window seating and double doors that lead to the bathroom. Enjoy both a glass-enclosed shower and luxurious garden tub for ultimate relaxation, with an option for an extended shower. And then there's a large walk-in closet. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with an optional tech center, plus 3 large secondary bedrooms. Options for the second floor include a media room, Jack and Jill bathroom, or even adding a second bedroom suite. And in certain communities, you can add a 2.5 or 3 car garage with an option for front or side entries. Whatever your lifestyle, Bloomfield Homes has a plan for you. Contact us or visit our models for more information on building your dream home today.